Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a special episode of Let's Try It Barbecue. I'm just gonna show y'all. I ain't even gonna just look at this. That's all I can say.
I'll go with this.
I've got about a 1.3 pound thick. I mean, look at my hand right next to. You see, that's like a 3-finger steak right there. But we out here camping. I'm gonna show y'all the view here. Got all the campers set up.
South Carolina, Joe.
What up? Chilling.
What's up?
And everybody laughed at me, but I'm gonna cook this steak on the rock. And everybody else done tried it, so you can see how seasoned that rock is. And they said it's good as shit. So I'm gonna get this seasoned up. I'll be right back. There we go. I got it seasoned up on the sides. I didn't even turn no fat off of this because I don't want to. Because it's my steak. Don't judge me. And that's just salt, pepper, garlic. I done sprayed this rock right here a few times with some cooking oil. We done cooked some fish on it, a couple more steaks. And let's get this big old sucker on here.
Hold on, let me catch that sizzle.
You gonna catch the sizzle?
Hold on, don't put it on there yet. Right.
Oh man.
Go for
You ready?
it. Go for it.
We're gonna put it on the side first. There we go. Oh man. I'm gonna get these sides seared up real good and nice first. Render that fat down. And I'll bring y'all back whenever I'm putting it on its, putting it flat down. You know what I mean. But I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, I wanted to bring y'all back for the sizzle. I done seared the sides of this steak. Oh man, it's looking good. Seared that fat, rendered it down. It looks burnt on the camera, but it's really not. Oh, it's smelling good. Put some wood under this rock, get it back hot. And here we go. I just wanted to share the sizzle. Woo, yes. Oh, yes. And we'll be back shortly. I'll show y'all how it turned out. Alright, y'all. This is it right here. Freaking huge, thick New York strip cooking on a rock. I don't know if it's gonna be done. It feels pretty tender. But I'm gonna cut it open and let y'all see it how I see it. Let's do it. Oh man, that cuts like butter. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Ooh, I don't know. This is pretty good. I might throw it on for just a little bit more. But that's looking pretty good. Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'll put them on for a little bit longer. But let's go ahead and let's cut this one open. I like my steak that daggone raw.
Wow.
Ooh. That right there looks about perfect. Just about perfect. Harley, really? You just gonna mess up my video?
Oh, just airing it out.
It's okay though. Let's try this. Let's try to take a bite of this good old steak cooked on a rock. Oh, it's dripping on me.
Yeah. I need a tissue to clean up your wad.
Boy.
He said, boy, that's good.
What's funny is you can actually taste a little bit of smoke on it. That's good. Hey, look, Y'all like this crap? Subscribe. Whatever. All that YouTube stuff. We'll see y'all next time.